So I'll be showing you how to use any Apple Music song as the alarm on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but you can use these instructions for pretty much any other iPhone. So if you have Apple Music set up and running on your iPhone, then you can actually choose a song of your choice and use it as your alarm sound. So what you need to do is go to the clock app on your iPhone, and on the clock app, make sure you select alarm, and that will list for you all the alarms you have set up. Some people have one, people like me have many. So go to the alarm that you want to change the alarm sound to a song, like that one, tap on it, and then go to sound, tap on that, and then at the top, normally you should find yourself somewhere here, but if you scroll all the way to the top of the page, under songs, tap on pick a song. Now that opens Apple Music. You can now just search your library. Just go to maybe playlists or artists, or you can search any song or even downloaded songs. Okay, so for me, I'll just go to one of my playlists and find a song. I'll come here and choose that one. Okay, and now you can see that song has been added as my alarm sound. And then hit the back button, and then don't forget to tap on save. Don't forget to tap on save in the top right corner to save those changes. And so when that alarm goes off, it's going to play that song. And that is basically how to use any Apple Music song as your alarm sound on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.